Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to create images and videos of your project. The main reason to use VORTEK Spaces is to impress your clients with stunning images and immersive videos. This powerful tool helps you turn every project reveal into a memorable moment, allowing your clients to see the final result and truly step into their future kitchen, bathroom, or home. In the Visit menu at the top, you'll find all the picture and camera settings. Even better, this is where you can manage your camera path, creating smooth viewpoint sequences with transition effects. You can also add an intro, an outro, and even a soundtrack to bring your video to life. The main toggle to check when generating quick images is picture resolution. Here, you can choose anything from full 4K images to square or story formats that are perfect for social media. These same settings can also be applied when recording your videos. To take a quick photo of your current view, just click the camera button in the floating bar menu. To see your pictures or videos, open the gallery. There, you'll find all the photos you've taken along with the viewpoints you saved in your project. Let's take a look at how to create viewpoints and then use them to produce walkthrough videos. First, position your desired view. Then, go to the Visit tab and click the Add Viewpoint icon in the floating menu. You'll see the timeline/sequence appear. This is the main track where all your viewpoints are placed and where you can build your camera pathway. Here, you can also explore features such as skip to next viewpoint, pause, speed, slow motion, object animation, and even sun and field of view animation. Take a moment to try each of them. They'll help bring your project to life. It's now time to create high-quality walkthroughs with smooth camera motions like zoom, pan, depth of field, and slow motion. Add a soundtrack and showcase your designs with stunning professional results, just like the best Hollywood directors. Don't forget to save your project first if you've made edits. Once that's done, click the red record button to capture your video. You'll find your video later in the Gallery tab, right next to your viewpoints. Here's a tip. Field of view is perfect for capturing tight spaces like bathrooms or closets. Play with the settings until you find the best look and make sure your project gets the attention it deserves. Here's another tip. When you're using VORTEK Spaces live in front of a customer, rely on your viewpoints to showcase the best camera angles and let your project truly shine. For more details about adding an intro or outro to your video, check out our page on branding options. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.